Are you struggling with multiple custom alert dialogs not appearing in your Android app? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into a common issue with the TaskCompletionSource object and the dismiss function that many developers face. I understand how frustrating it can be when your app sends notifications, but only one alert shows up. It can feel like you're missing out on important functionality, and that can be a real headache. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. A user reported that when they activate their application, they only see the authentication alert, while the second alert for filling in a value never appears. They tried overriding the dismiss function, but it led to the same alert appearing multiple times before the app crashes. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to resolve this. So what could be causing this issue? It seems like the task completion source isn't being completed properly after the alerts are shown. This can lead to unexpected behavior, like alerts not appearing or crashing the app. Let's break down the solution step by step. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a pro tip that can help you manage alerts more effectively in your applications. To address the issue of multiple alerts not appearing, the user should first ensure that the task completion source is properly managed. This involves creating a new task completion source for each alert that needs to be displayed. Next, the user should modify the dismiss function. Instead of setting the task completion source result to null, the user should complete it only after all alerts have been shown. This can be done by keeping track of how many alerts have been displayed. The user can implement a counter that increments each time an alert is dismissed. Once the counter matches the total number of alerts, the task completion source can be completed. Finally, the user should ensure that the alerts are shown in the correct order. This can be achieved by awaiting the task completion source of each alert before showing the next one. Did you know the first mobile apps were simple and often just displayed text? We've come a long way, but managing alerts can still be tricky. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user suggests that the issue may stem from threading problems or not properly setting the task completion. They point out that in the iOS version, there's a line of code that sets the task completion result, which is missing in the Android version. They emphasize that without this, the main thread could be blocked, preventing the alerts from appearing as intended. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your alert dialogs thoroughly, especially when dealing with multiple alerts. This can save you from unexpected crashes and improve user experience. And there you have it. With these adjustments, your alerts should work seamlessly. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on app development.